Ready for some healthy, low-sugar smoothies that taste great? It's easy to add sugar to your smoothie recipes, but today we're going to keep that in check with a low-sugar smoothie recipe and some healthy veggies. Stay tuned to parshealthhtv. Number 7. Gingery Mango and Berry Smoothie. Berries are a classic smoothie ingredient, thanks to their natural sweetness and a low-calorie package. But the star of this weight management support smoothie is the surprising addition of ginger and cayenne. Data shows that ginger consumption can lead to weight loss, while chili peppers can help optimize hunger control and calorie burning. A smoothie made with these powerful ingredients can be the secret weapon in your weight loss journey. Number 6. Creamy Zucchini Blueberry Smoothie. The addition of zucchini and vegetables makes this smoothie bulk and extremely low in calories, helping people reach their weight loss goals. According to a study published in Advances in Nutrition, a blueberry smoothie may help improve weight maintenance. Number 5. Fall Green Smoothie. Enjoy the fall green smoothie year-round because it contains low-calorie ingredients and weight loss aids like flaxseed and apple cider vinegar. In fact, based on the results of a systematic study and meta-analysis published in Obesity Reviews, the authors concluded that whole flax seeds are a good choice for weight control, especially in overweight and obese people. This refreshing smoothie can also be enjoyed as a frozen soda. Simply pour this combination into popsicle molds and freeze until firm. Number 4. Tropical Dragon Fruit Smoothie Bowl. Dragon fruit is the perfect addition to a fruit smoothie or low-sugar bowl, as its tart flavor goes well with almost any other fruit. Packed with 3 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein, all for just 182 calories, this smoothie bowl is sure to be a great addition to any weight loss plan. Number 3. Berry Superfood Smoothie. This smoothie is an important source of nutrition with no added sugar or artificial ingredients. Packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, this smoothie is the perfect recipe for those trying to control their weight and limit their sugar intake. Adding turmeric to this smoothie can give the dish even more weight management support, as a study shows that taking curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is associated with lower BMI and weight loss in people with metabolic syndrome. Number 2. Low Sugar Raspberry Smoothie. Looking for healthy treats that feel like dessert? This low sugar raspberry smoothie is the answer. The sweet and sour taste of raspberries makes smoothies delicious. Adding bananas, plant milk, and agave syrup give you a taste of true decadence. A splash of lemon juice adds a flavor that brings all the flavors together. Drizzle it over the edge and top with unsweetened dark chocolate chips and a bit of coconut whipped cream. Number 1. Peaches and Cream Smoothie. Get your day off to a sweet start by mixing up these refreshing peaches and cream shakes. Rich and juicy, peaches are one of the best low-sugar smoothie ingredients, especially when they're in season. Simply combine frozen peaches, coconut milk, and heavy whipping cream into one delicious drink. Effortlessly made, it's like a dreamy milkshake. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Ways to add more vegetables to smoothies. Now that we've shown that we want to minimize certain fruits in our smoothies, it's time to bring in the power of greens. Yes, you can pack tons of nutrients into a smoothie without compromising on taste. Tip for adding vegetables. 2 vegetables that make good smoothie substitutes are blanched frozen zucchini and frozen cauliflower. Add them to your mix, and you have the perfect replacement for the typical banana. Here are some vegetables to choose from. Avocados have the highest protein content of any fruit, and they add unparalleled creaminess to any smoothie. Cucumbers taste light and refreshing while providing plenty of water to keep you hydrated. Carrots are great for boosting your immune system and adding natural sweetness and color to your smoothies. Green leafy vegetables are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Beets can be used to sweeten a vegan smoothie and boost energy levels. Zucchini is high in fiber and water to keep you full, and it's almost tasteless in smoothies. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber and adds a sugar-free, creamy taste. Ways to add protein to smoothies. If you want to boost the protein content of a low-sugar smoothie, here are some suggestions on how to do it. Nut butter adds protein and healthy fats with just 1 tablespoon. Greek yogurt is a perfect choice to add a creamy, tangy texture. Nuts and seeds provide additional fiber and protein. Protein powders, such as whey protein powder or plant-based protein powder, are an easy way to add protein to your mix. Collagen powder boosts your protein intake and supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. Are smoothies high in sugar? Smoothies sound like the perfect healthy snack, but they may contain more sugar than you think, like my favorite mango smoothie. Throw in some fruit juice, maybe some honey, and some sliced bananas, and before you know it, you've got over 50 grams of sugar. However, that doesn't mean you can't make a smoothie that satisfies your sweet tooth while still providing plenty of nutrients, vitamins, protein, and fiber. With the right mixture of specific fruits and vegetables, you can enjoy a smoothie without worrying about your sugar intake. Consuming sugar in moderation. I think we all know that too much sugar is bad for your body, but as long as you eat it in moderation, you'll be fine. I admit that I love fruit and include it in my weekly meals, but the key is knowing which fruits have more or less sugar. Here is a quick overview. Which fruits have high sugar? Banana, pears, mango, pomegranate, grapes, cherries. Which fruits are low in sugar? Raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, avocado, blueberries, cucumber, kiwi, lemons. Do you know any other smoothies that are low in sugar? If yes, please share it with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.